This 2004 Saab 9-3 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Saab 9-3 convertible 2.0 LDOHC turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed automatic transmission, CD player, FM, AM radio, power windows, power door locks, power exterior mirrors, keyless entry, cruise control, steel gray metallic exterior, black convertible, soft top, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2004 Saab 9-3 convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.